I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to.
ko lang
Excuse me, sandali, as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier. Excuse
hindi
me,
po
excuse
siya
me.
po
No,
pwede.
no.
Ma'am, sorry, madam, but I am a
Yes, it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko po
already answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Oy, BH. O bakit? Asa na yung si...
O, di ba namubulol ka ngayon? O ano?
Ay, basta tinatanong ko sa'yo, ha? Huwag mong i-deny.
Wala akong dinideny sa'yo.
Ay, nako,
Makinig
nag-deny ka
ka,
kanina.
videographer.
Hindi ka nakikinig. Di ba sabi ko sa'yo, huwag mo
Makinig ka.
ubusin.
Wala
Huwag
ka.
mong i-deny.
Makinig ka.
Huwag ka.
Ay, nako, videographer. Makinig ka muna sa
Hindi,
sasabihin
hindi
ko.
ako makikinig sa sinasabi mo.
Ay,
Huwag
nako.
ka magdi-deny.
Makinig ka.
Ay,
Isa-side
inubos mo
concept
ta. Anong isa-side? Anong tayo na? Senado?
Videographer, nakakaloka kanina. Ganyan na ganyan.
Saya-saya.
Ganyan. Nakakaloka naman to si Mr. Harry Roque. Nakipagsabayan, videographer. Hindi mo na pinatapos yung chairperson.
Baka akala niya sabayang bigla.
Eh baka akala nga, kasi mag-o-August na mga kabatang helmet eh. Baka nagpa-practice na magsabayang bigla si Mr. Harry Roque. Nakakaloka talaga, pero syempre today is a very very happy day sa lahat ng mga bagong pasok sa channel to. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button at tiny bell para lagi kayo updated sa lahat ng mga inepalan sinasawsawan namin ng Bitch Gopher. Nagkainitan Bitch Gopher. Pero nakakaloka talaga kasi Diyos ko kung napanood nyo po yung buong Senate hearing, maluloka kayo sa ganap talaga. Nagsasalita pa si Senrisa, biglang eto si Mr. Harry Roque, nagsasalita din, nagsasalita pa, nagsasalita, videographer.
Gulo-gulo.
At mismong si Senwin na, videographer.
Ayan.
Ang namagitan talaga kasi nakikita niya na habang nagsasalita si Senrisa, hindi pinapatapos ni Mr. Harry Roque kasi nagbabat in si Mr. Harry Roque.
At bakit mo pinapatulan yung babae? Ano ka? Hulo?
Ha? Pero ito, mga bata helmet, panoorin nyo muna.
The rules of court apply in the suppletory character.
I don't need to argue with you about
Opo,
that, attorney.
pero
But you
ang
don't need
sinasabi
to,
ko lang po-
excuse me, sandali po. You don't need to tell the committee what the rules of the Senate are.
Well, I'm just
Please
citing
just
po.
answer our question. You don't
My
need to
answer
cite,
po
it's not
is
necessary.
that document is only evidence of its existence. Pero para patunayan po yung katotohanan na nakalasaad sa dokumentong yan, dapat meron pong testigo na nakakita ng ginawa yung dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya testigo ng gumawa ng dokumentong yan, o di naman kaya yung testigo na pumirma ng dokumentong yan.
Actually,
Pag
as
wala
I
po
said
yan,
earlier,
hindi po siya po
No,
pwede.
excuse
Ma'am,
me.
excuse me
No,
kasi...
No, excuse me, Attorney Roque.
I'm sorry, madam, but
Yes,
I am a
it's all
resource
right.
person invited.
Yes, you are.
I was
Wait.
asked
Let me
to
finish.
answer.
Yes, you
Hindi ko po
already answered in
maintindihan,
excess.
Kapag gusto nyo
Sandali
akong
po.
tumigil, papatigil nyo ako kapag ako nag-explain.
Yes.
I thought we were engaged in
Attorney.
the search for the truth.
Oh, definitely we are. Attorney Roque, what I am
Chair,
saying,
Madam
yes, and
Chair.
Sherwin.
Attorney Roque, please be reminded to respect the chairperson.
I'm very respectful, Madam Chair.
Paano respectful na nagsasalita siya, sinasabayan mo siya?
I apologize, Senator Gatchalian.
One more,
I
and
apologize.
I will cite you in contempt. And if you disrespect the chairperson, we'll be compelled to cite you in contempt.
I understand and I apologize.
Huwag mo naman
Your Honor.
sabayan siya, nagsasalita siya. Siya ang chairperson.
Okay, Your Honor. I understand. I apologize.
Hong Sheng, we're talking about Lucky South
I'm not
99.
even-
Please
I'm
naman, alam nyo naman yung tinatanong ng committee eh.
Your Honor.
So ano po yung papel ni Attorney Roque sa inyo? Anong pagkakilala nyo sa kanya? Kaugnay nitong mga iniimbestiga naming Pogo.
During the whole
Huwag
time
kang
that...
piloso po sumagot dito.
I'm sorry, Your Honors. I did not intend to do that. But what I was trying to say is, I never... if it's about the operations of Lucky South at that time, I didn't even get to see him there at that time because they have a different lawyer that they were presenting to us. It was a certain attorney Medina.
What's the first name of Attorney Medina?
I cannot just get it now, Your Honors, but it's a certain attorney Medina. That's
Attorney yun ng Lucky South 99?
Yes, Your Honors.
Okay, so kung sinasabi nyo, di nyo alam bakit, wala kayong masabing pagkakilala kay Attorney Roque kaugnay ninyo at ng Lucky South 99. So, why would he complain about the same thing kasi Leong was complaining about sa PAGCOR?
That's the first time I really heard about it, Your Honors. That he was even lawyering for them.
Yeah, that's what we were also wondering. Why was he lawyering for Lucky South 99? Sino yung habang nandun si Cassandra Leong at si Attorney Roque sa office ni Chair Tenco, sino yung sinong nag-partial payment para sa Lucky South na $203,000 sa land bank? Sino yun?
I really don't know, Your Honors. I'm not part of the company anymore.
Oh, because apparently that person na nag-deposit sa land bank ng 203,000 pesos partially solved the problem of Cassandra Leong and Lucky South 99 na ginawa nyo daw problema sa kanila dahil hindi nyo daw ibinayad sa PAGCOR, which is also what Chair Tenco said.
Madam Chair?
Yes,
Have
SP
you
Pro Tem.
invited Cassandra Leong during this year?
Yes, we have SP Pro Tem. Actually, subject din po siya ng subpoena na dinedma din niya and reported by the COMSEC. So, as I mentioned po earlier, the chair will act on any relevant motion dun sa ibang mga tao na hindi nirespeto ang imbitasyon ni ang subpoena o contempt citation ng
We
komite.
can ask Attorney Roque, do you know the whereabouts of Cassandra Leong?
Your Honor, I'm here as a resource person because
Yes,
there's
attorney,
a
but please
consistent...
answer the question of the SP Pro Tem.
I am, Your Honor, answering the question.
Thank you.
I am here because I am a resource person. I am being linked to POGOs, which I have denied. Now, I lawyer for Whirlwind, represented by Cassie Ong. I have all the documents to prove entry of appearances in all the court hearings, including verification signed by Cassie Ong as Corporate Secretary of Whirlwind. I do not have any contact with Cassie Ong now because my engagement is only on the ejectment case so far. There was an attempt to retain me for the raid on a residential house in Porac. However, I have not received the board director certificate authorizing me to be counseled there. So I'm only here to talk about myself and to defend myself against allegations that I pogoed against illegal pogos.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Secretary Roque. Therefore, I move, Madam Chair, to subpoena ad testificandum to be issued against Cassandra Leong. I so move, Madam Chair. I'm sorry, I withdraw my motion. Meron na? Okay.
Yes, SP Pro Temp, Cassandra Leong is already subject of subpoena by the committee pero hindi niya pinaunlakan.
And based dun sa Bureau of BID, nasulat po sa inyo, Madam Chair, nakaalis na raw si Cassandra Ong, June 11.
Apparently, SP Pro Temp, si Cassandra Leong ay nasa Singapore na.
She left the country already. So, hindi talaga mahuli ito. Hindi talaga makakaspot ito.
The subpoena of the committee can remain if the hearing is suspended. The subpoena will remain valid, Your Honor.
Okay, Madam Chair, Mr. Cunanan, dalawang tao na nagsasabi dito sa committee nito. Isa yung member ng PAGCOR tsaka si Cassandra Leong na hindi mo nga binayad yung supposedly pera na dapat ibayad sa PAGCOR. At ikaw, dinideny mo naman talaga vehemently. Eh, dalawang tao na nagsasabi sa'yo eh. Tapos ikaw, nagsisunungaling ka pa, dinideny mo.
Your Honors, I cannot do what they mentioned with their statements, but I stand by that fact on my side. Plus, Your Honors, if in case I really did that, during the reapplication in September and October, Lucky South still communicated with our office requesting our assistance to help them with their PAGCOR reapplication. Because they said, because we left them already, and if they just wanted to make sure that their documents are properly documented and conveyed together. If in that situation, Your Honors, the fact stays, then I doubt they will even ask me to help them out with the review of their documents.
Diba? Nakakaloka. Ang init-init. Videographer, nagkakainitan talaga. Pero, grabe naman si Mr. Harry Roque.
Oo, ang galing niya, no? Ang galing niya magpagsabayan.
Huwag mo kasi sinasabayan.
May sinasabi pa ako. Hindi ako nagdi-deny, ano?
Nakakaloka mga kabatang helmet. Tama na videographer, sana talaga, di ba, respeto. Respect is the key. Kasi ito yung chairperson, videographer, si Sandrisa. Sana, di ba, gumalang ka, irespeto mo, ang komite. Pero nakakaloka talaga. Pero siguro, kaya nagmamadali si Mr. Harry Roque, baka naman, makalimutan niya yung nakalagay sa script.
Kasi naman, baka masabi,
Diba?
mo maintindihan.
Diba, videographer? Pero eto nga, ang daming mga ganap talaga, ang daming mga tanong na kailangan talaga sagutin. O ito, panoorin nyo pa.
Hindi ko po dinideny. That is a house that I have an interest in. I have lived in the house. Now, ang bahay po na tinutukoy nyo sa Tuba Benguet ay rehistrado sa isang korporasyon. Tiniran ko po yan nung ako po ay umalis ng gobyerno, and I do have an interest in the corporation that owns it. Pero wala po sa akin ang possession ng bahay na yan. Dahil as of January of 2024, yan po ay pinaupahan ng korporasyon at ang umuupa po ay isang Wang Yun na isang Chinese national na siya po ay pumirma sa contract of lease ay require siya na magpakita ng Alien Certificate of Registration at lumalabas po na siya ay holder ng isang 9G working visa. Meaning, she has a right to be in the Philippines. So, ang rehistradong lessee po dyan, at yan ay rehistrado rin sa Homeowners Association ng Subdivision para sila ay makapasok, ay itong babae na isang Wang Yun. Kaya nga po, nung sinabi nila na sinalakay ang bahay ko at may mga wanted na mga pogo bosses doon, ako po'y talagang nag-conclude na meron talagang pilit na naninira sa akin. Gaya nung naunang release na ng PAGCOR na ako daw ay naglakad para sa lisensya ng isang illegal na pogo, meron po akong interest sa korporasyon na may-ari ng bahay na yan. In fact, in the near future, I am concluding a transaction na kukunin ko yung buong korporasyon na may-ari ng bahay na yan. Now, pero ang ina-emphasize ko po, regardless of the ownership, there is a contract of lease which is duly notarized and which I will submit before this honorable body, which means na ang possession po dyan is in the hands of Ms. Wang Yu, who is a legal resident of the Philippines with an alien certificate of registration and in possession of a 9G working visa. Ang gusto ko nga po malaman, kung nakita nila dun sa bahay na yon, yung tao na hinahanap nila na allegedly may tie sa banban. Dahil kung di naman po ako nagkakamali, again, as part of due diligence, yung isang lalaking nahuli dyan is the partner of of the lessee, no? Hindi ko naman po tinatanggi na may interest talaga ako dyan sa korporasyon na yan, albeit not 100% as of yet, pero magiging 100% na po yan. Yun nga po, yung lalaki, ang alam ko, is the partner of Wang Yun, and alam nyo po, hanggang ngayon, meron akong katiwala doon. Kasi nga po, nais ko masigurado na yung lessee will only use the premises for residential purposes, no? Dahil nung ako po ay nasa gobyerno pa, may mga nagrereklamo sa mga villages gaya ng Multinational Village na ginagawang pogo at 70 people at the time ang nasa residential homes. So nagtalaga pa ako ng caretaker para masigurado na wala pong ganyan at ang caretaker's report naman ay talagang hanggang 3 tao lang ang nakatira ron. Ang question po is, yun nga po, kung yung lalaking nahuli ay siyang merong tie sa banban at dahil ang alam ko po, nag-due diligence din naman kami kung sino yung lalaking yon, partner yon nung aking lessee. But, gentleman of leisure po yun eh. Ang sinasabi nung aking katiwala, hindi naman umaalis ng bahay, golf lang ng golf kasi may golf course po dyan. At nang tinanong namin minsan, ano ba ang trabaho niya, sabi niya, he is a digital nomad, no? Cryptocurrency, no? So nais ko po makita talaga kung ano yung ebidensya na yung lalaking yon ay involved sa banban. Dahil kung hindi naman po, talagang meron pong concerted effort na iling ako dito sa mga pogo, no, na akin namang itinatanggi po.
Sabi niyo, korporasyon ang may-ari ng bahay na ni-raid at natagpuan ng 2 foreign nationals na associated ng PAOK sa Bamban at nasa custody ngayon ng BI. Sabi niyo sa sa korporasyon. But you also, nung nagsalita kayo kanina, you also referred to it as bahay ko.
Well, I do not deny po na I have an interest in the corporation. Hindi ko po dinideny yun. In fact,
aling korporasyon po iyan?
Ang pangalan po ata is PH2. Hindi ko maalala, no?
PH2?
PH2.
Pero wait a minute. Dapat maalala nyo po. Well, you intend to
mahaba po yung pangalan.
Procure 100% ownership
anyway,
of it.
maya-maya
PH2.
Po, darating po
What
yung...
What does PH2 stand for
Well,
po?
ano po yan eh? That's the location of the address of the house. Okay. Anyway, maya-maya po.
PH2, why, what's the whole address po
Parang
of the
phase
house?
2, black number, gano'n.
Okay,
no?
phase 2.
Pero maya-maya po, nagpakuha ko ng contract of lease para ipakita rito sa komite na ito, no? Na,
And sa ngayon po, kayo ang majority shareholder ng PH2.
sa ngayon po, hindi.
Hindi.
Pero
Anong
kami
percentage
po
po ng
ang,
ownership nyo?
Ay, nako, nominal lang po ako
Nominal.
ngayon. No? Nominal.
10%, 20%?
Well, ngayon po lumalabas, lang ako, nag-subscribe lang po ako when it was incorporated, no?
At sino po yung majority shareholder sa
Ang majority is another corporation
PH2?
po. Another
What is that
corporation.
other corporation?
It's Biancham Holdings po.
Ano pong pangalan?
Biancham Holdings.
Biancham
Holdings.
Holding. B-I-A-N
CHAM.
Bianchan Holdings.
Yes, yes.
Ganong kalaki yung majority?
Lahat po yan
Sold.
sa Biancham Holdings.
Pero minority,
wholly owned.
nominal kayo.
Nominal.
Wholly.
Oo, wholly owned po yan by
Bianchan
Biancham.
Holdings. Sino pong incorporators ng Bianchan Holdings?
Attorney Percival Ortega po at yun po naalala ko si Attorney Percival Ortega.
Aha.
I think, minimum of 5 po yan eh. Pero majority shareholder
Alright.
is Attorney Percival Ortega.
Okay. Pero nasa Homeowners Association din po kayo ng subdivision, tama po?
Well, nung simula po, dahil tinirang ko po yan nung ako po yung umalis sa gobyerno nung 2019, pero nung bumalik ako sa gobyerno, hindi na po ako tumira doon. Pero hanggang ngayon po, I consider myself a resident of Baguio but I stay in another house.
Pero member po kayo ng HOA dun sa subdivision?
Mandatory po na yung corporate owner is a member of the Homeowners Association.
So, member po, dahil mandatory, member kayo ng HOA ng subdivision?
Member po yung corporation that owns the house.
Okay. So, sinong nakapangalang representative ng Bianchan Holdings sa HOA nung subdivision?
Hindi po ako sigurado, no? Kung sino ngayon ang nakapangalan doon, no? But I do know that lahat po ng mga dues are being paid and the real estate taxes are being paid.
Sino pong nagbabayad ng dues at real estate taxes para sa Biancham doon?
It is also Biancham, no? That pays for it, no? But in
Aha.
any case, hindi ko po dinideny that, that is a house that I have an interest in. I have lived in the house. Ang sinasabi ko lang po, pinaupahan po yan and possession is now with the lessee.
Yung Bianchan Holdings, nabalita po dati na may partnership sa First Mariveles Holdings Corp o FBMHC na nag-apply for POGO license dati.
Hindi po.
Maaring,
I deny
It's,
that. I deny that.
You deny it. Okay.
Yes, ang
Well, we will ask
application
the
po is
proper...
AFAB.
Oo.
It's the Freeport Authority of Bataan.
Okay.
It
we
is
will
not
ask
with
that.
PAGCOR.
All right. We will ask that sa present and possibly past PAGCOR chairs later.
Wala po yung application at all with PAGCOR.
Yes. Well noted yung denial nyo. Itatanong. Pero POGO po siya.
Hindi po.
Hindi rin
That's
siya
a real
POGO.
estate development company
Real
na
estate.
nag-apply po for accreditation sa AFAB pero hindi na po
Okay.
na-pursue.
Okay. We will ask that of
AFAB po.
No. The chair will say who we will ask from. We will ask that from PAGCOR. And if necessary, invite AFAB to the next hearing. If necessary.
Diba? Hindi ko pa maintindihan yan, Bidyo Kapay, kasi sabi niya, sa kanya daw yung bahay, pero nominal lang yung shares niya. Pero under pa raw yan sa iba pang korporasyon. At yung korporasyon daw na yan, interesado daw siya. Saan pa talaga siya interesado? At nung tinanong siya ni Senrisa, anong pangalan niyang korporasyon na yan? Ano yung PH2?
Oo.
Nakakaloka yung PH na alam ko, Peach. Wow! Pero si Mr. Harry Roque, ang alam, PH2.
Ay, yun ang gamit niya?
Hi, hindi! Pero tinanong nga ni Senrisa kung abbreviation ba yan. Ang sabi ni Mr. Harry Roque, parang nakalimutan daw niya. Kaya sabi naman ni Senrisa, ay, dapat alam niyo po. Kasi diba, kung sino man ang gustong bumili ng isang property, Bijugapor, or diba, dapat alam mo lahat. At hindi mo makakalimutan yan. Pero
na
ang
naman
sinabi
alam.
ni Mr. Harry Roque, baka phase 2 daw. Kasi parang phase 2, lahat ganito. Ayun pala yung name.
Talagang
May ganun pala.
hindi niya matandaan.
Pero ito pa, may sinabi pa siyang isang name ng korporasyon din daw na malaki din daw yung shares dyan na nagmamayari. Ang gulo nga gulo-gulo ako. Tapos ito nga nagkain yung tanggap. Nakakaloka.
Sa'yo.
So, ayan mga batang helmet. Ano masasabi niyo dyan? I-comment down below nyo na dyan. Nakakaloka talaga, no? Ba,
Galing.
kailangan ng travel buddy ni Mr. Harry Roque?
Kailangan ng assistance.
Kasi si Bidyo Gapar nagkainitan. Baka
Yes.
kailangan siyang i-BP.
Yes. Ano si travel body?
Dapat present din doon si travel buddy.
Yes.
Di ba mga kabatang
Diba?
helmet?
Kasi,
Kaya nga siya, di ba, nag-request ng travel buddy. Kaya nag-hire ng travel
Oo.
buddy. Kasi for his medical condition.
Yes.
Pero dahil nagkakainitan, baka kailangan magpa-BP.
Oo nga naman.
I-monitor ang BP.
Asa na si travel buddy para sa kanyang welfare?
Wow, welfare and wellness.
Yes.
Para ikaw mga batang helmet, nakakaloka talaga, no? Kailan ba talaga magtatapos yung teleserye ng Pogo, no? Yung Pogo serye, videographer. Nakakaloka.
Abangan!
Diba?
Susunod na 5 taon ng
pa.
Batang Senado.
Pinagmatang Pogo
Pogo
serye.
Wow!
Starring
Mr. Harry
Roque!
Woohoo!
Ay, ano yan?
Queen.
Sige,
Di ba ganun
tuloy
yun?
mo yan.
Anyway, highway, basta stay happy, stay healthy, and stay safe tayo as always, mga batang helmet. Sabi nga sa buhay nyo, naging helmet din ang bukid. Keep getting better every day. God bless everyone. Bye! Maraming salamat talaga sa lahat ng mga patuloy na nagpapabot ng tulong. Di ba, Bidyo Kapar?
Thank you po.
At bukas na po, July 30, birthday pa ni Sir Aistero! Happy, happy, happy birthday! Birthday ni Sir Aistero ito, hindi mo birthday ito. Happy, happy, happy birthday! Sana'y mabusog mo kami! Woo! Happy, happy birthday, Sir
Thank you
Aistero!
po.
Siyempre, wishing you good health and many, many, many more birthdays to come pa.
Yes, God bless po.
Yes! Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na.